you doing, YouTubers? Too Many Mods Garage again. Today we'll be bringing back my car to go to Steve Ellis's to put in the torque converter. Get it back Friday, go drag race, and after the drag race on Friday night, I'm gonna bring it back to him on Saturday and leave it there till the Whipple's on. Should be there probably a week or two, I don't know. Depends on how busy he is. We're gonna go ahead and show you my car because I haven't done that since I got it back from the hail damage repair place. Here it is. They did a really good job. The only thing they didn't fix was the hood. You see the hood's still got some dents in it. Ordered a carbon fiber hood from Anderson Composites. It should be here in the next week or so. The original hood that they ordered got lost, so it's on its way back, or back to them, I guess. I don't know. They sent out another one, so they'll figure it out. After they fixed all the hail damage, Harper's went ahead and did another paint correction and ceramic coated the whole car. Looks really good though. Turned out great. Got my truck back also. It had a lot more hail damage on it, and I still haven't found a dent, so I'm pretty sure they fixed it all. They did a real good job up there at Carson's. That's all I got for today. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll get back to you hopefully sometime during the install of my Whipple Supercharger. I'll get up there and hopefully get some videos of the install. I'm not going to sit there all day, but maybe for 10 minutes here and there I'll get some install footage of Steve Ellis putting it in for you. Got everything loaded up. Go to Steve Ellis's shop. All my oil, billet flex plate, converter, crash bar for the front. All the Whipple Supercharger is back here in the bed of the truck. Took up pretty much the whole bed. And in the back of the Mustang, I got like 15 other boxes. All right, we're on the way. Well, this is the last drive for a little while. I'm taking the car to Steve Ellis's shop to get the Whipple Supercharger put on, so next time you see it, it should be boosted.